everyone, a very warm welcome to Sangeeta's Kitchen Delights. I am Sangeeta, your host. Today I will be showing Ilish Macher Tel Jhol. It's a very famous Bengali dish and it's very easy to make for daily basis. You can make it for your lunch or dinner with rice. With this same recipe, you also can make any other fish like this. Then let's start. Here I have taken 4 pieces of hilsa fish including one head and one tail piece. Sprinkling some salt on it. These fishes are already washed and I have drained all the extra water, and I am sprinkling now some turmeric powder, and after that adding some red chili powder, and then I will marinate the fishes with the spice and the salt very well. If you are my new viewer, I will request you to subscribe my channel. It is completely free, and if you like this video, please give a thumbs up so that I can go along and this video will reach to many people like you. Thank you so much who already subscribed my channel. Thanks a lot from core of my heart. Our fish is almost ready to cook. Now I will make a spice paste for the cooking. For that I have taken a bowl. In that I am adding turmeric powder, Kashmiri red chili powder, normal red chili powder which is spicy. After that cumin powder. All the measurement is shown in the screen. Please note that. And adding some warm water to make a thick paste. We have to mix very well so that no lump is there. I feel it needs little bit of warm water again to make a smooth paste. Yes, spice paste are completely ready to go to the curry. Now we will go to the main cooking procedure. For that I have taken a pan and which is already preheated and adding some mustard oil near about 1/4 cup. Let it heat completely until it gets smoky. Here I have taken a big bowl of eggplant which cut into pieces lengthwise, and now I am going to fry this. We will fry the eggplant pieces until it gets brown from both sides. Yes, now our eggplant is completely oil fried. I am taking out this from the oil and keep it aside. Now I am adding little more mustard oil, near about 4 tablespoons more, and let it be well heated. Now I am adding some potato which is peeled and cut lengthwise to fry. Potato also will be fried until it gets brown like the eggplant. I think potatoes are ready to leave from the pan, and I am just taking out them and keep it aside. In the leftover oil, I will fry now the fish pieces. When one side is done, I am just flip it over to fry from the other side. We are not going to fry the fish until it's crispy, and also we don't want to make our fish brown. It just need to eliminate the rawness of the fish. Fish is done, so now time to leave the pan. I'm just trying to drain the excess oil when I am taking off the fish. I feel the bottom part of the fish head is doesn't touch the pan, so that it need to fry little more. So which part is not fried properly, I am just trying to fry this part with help of the spatula. Now moving on to the next cooking step. In the leftover oil, I am adding some kalonji, which is the nigella seed you can say, and one slitted green chili. And just let it fry for few seconds. You have to fry until it leaves their nice aroma into the oil. After that, I am adding the mixed spice paste which we have made earlier. We will fry the spice until its raw aroma is gone. I'm adding little bit of water straight from the spice bowl so that no spice residue can get wastage. When the spice is cooked completely, you are getting the nice aroma and you can see the oil is separated from the spice. I'm adding the very hot water and give it a very good stir to mix it well. Once boil come, add fried potato which we have fried earlier. Now I am going to cover the jhol for at least 5 minutes. I feel it needs little more salt, so that I have added salt as per my taste and give it a very good stir to mix it well. Once more, I will cover and let it cook for another 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I am back. Now time to add the fried fish. I am adding little more hot water as fish need to be sink completely. As I have added hot water, so need to add some salt as per taste. Again cover and let it cook for 5 to 7 minutes in medium heat. Wow, a lovely nice aroma is coming, is full of in my kitchen. What I am doing now, I am just flipping over the fish so that top part of the fish also touch the surface of the pan and it will get very well cooked. But be careful, fish should not be broken. Now I'll cover again and let it cook for 5 minutes more. After 5 minutes, I'm going to add the fried eggplant. As eggplant is completely cooked during frying time, so I have added it later. And at the end, I'm adding some slitted green chili. It will add a very nice aroma and it will complete the dish very nicely. Let it cook for a couple of minutes more. Time to turn off the flame. Our Ilish মাছের তেল ঝোল is completely ready. But still, before serving, I need to rest it, covering it for few minutes. Serve it with hot steamed rice. I hope you like this recipe. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe my channel. It is completely free. I'll be back again with a new recipe. Till then, take care and bye.